Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit the like button, and please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I want to talk about a death cross. Yes, okay, we're not mourning anybody. We're talking about the charts, so calm down. It's okay. Nobody died, but it is called a death cross. And what is it? It's when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. What's a moving average? It's all the days added up together and then divided by those number of days. For instance, like the 21-day moving average. 21 days, take the average number of those days, that's the 21-day moving average. It's logarithmic though, as it moves as the price moves. So as you add one more day to the end, you cut the last day at the beginning, and that gives you your 21, 50, 200, whatever the moving average is that you're programmed to use. Now I use 5 moving averages, the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and the 200. Therefore, I can see how smaller ones move against bigger ones, and there's key indicators and key things that happen when I see all 5 change position that tell me what's going on to the price. Now right here, I wanted to show you Canopy Grow Corp, which happens to be weed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And you can see it's coming down here, coming up nicely, but the first thing that we see is the 21 curves. That's the first thing you want to look for. When price is moving up, does the 21 have a sharp directional change? Once that happens, the 21 crossed the 50. That was your first indication that things were not going well. Then the 21 continued to cross other moving average. It brought the 50 down with it. Then the 50 right here would cross the 200-day moving average. Bam. That would continue to spell disaster for this stock as it came down, and now it's trying to find a balance out to the upside. I wanted to show you a stock, even though this is the crypto channel, because I wanted you guys to understand that this is universal around all charts, price action everywhere. It doesn't matter, stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrency. This is something that is known throughout the trading world, the death cross. So now that we've gotten that out the way, and I showed you how universal it is, let's go take a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. Now, a death cross can occur on any time frame, but of course, it's far more deadly or important and holds more weight when we see it happen on the daily. Like right here, we have a death cross occurring on the 1 hour. Not the best. We've been down here, we crossed back up above it. That is actually kind of a good sign, at least. Right now, the 1 hour had a death cross right around here. Look. So even the 1 hour death cross, look, it spelled a disaster. Here's where the 50-day would cross, and we've been down ever since. Finally, the 50 is kind of touching the 200 again. That's a good sign in a way if you think about it, because that has to happen for us to reverse. So it doesn't mean a reversal is happening, but that does have to happen if we do reverse. So it's the doorway to a reversal, whether we get it or not. Now we zoom in closely here on Bitcoin on the daily chart. You can see we have the 50-day coming very close to the 200. It seems like it's continuing to fall. And we also have the 21 going through all the moving average. The only saving grace right now is this slight curve in the 21. Will it stop its downward trajectory and slow down a little bit and then curve the other moving average? I'd like to see them all curve their way on up and have the 50 never cross the 200. But you know what? It's pretty close. And let's just do a little bit of a measurement to see how far it is away. If it kept kind of coming here, it looks like it would hit it right here, which is about the first day of summer. That would be horrible. The first day of summer, a death cross on Bitcoin. So let's hope Bitcoin can pump itself up above the 200-day. Also, what happens during these moments is the 200-day becomes heavy resistance. You can see price wicked, price couldn't even get close, and now price is yet again not even able to get above the 21-day moving average. You can see the 21 now is resistance. All the moving averages now have become resistance for Bitcoin. The bulls have to put in a lot of work for us to get to the top. They got to break 21, then they definitely got to break through 200, and then so on and so forth until Bitcoin gets above all the other moving averages. So you can see the last time this happened was the pandemic. The 50 cross right here below the 200. It was short-lived, thank goodness. It wasn't too bad, and we were back on track, but still. And that was even after the dump. Then we eventually had the cross. Another time we had the cross was right here after the 20K dump. So we haven't seen this on the daily chart. One death cross there, one death cross there. We come back again and we had another one. So it kind of played games. It doesn't always mean it's going to be the biggest, longest drop. Like here, look, we dropped. It didn't continue for too long. We're going to have some type of downward momentum, at least for a little while. It just depends on the length of time that's going to happen. So what are my thoughts? What do I think? Well, you know what? I don't use the word think when I'm charting. Yeah, I go with the charts and I look at the way the charts look, and Right now, when I look at it, I just see a bear pennant, and I can't really see it any other way. That's a bear pennant, and bear pennants break to the downside about the length of the pole, and that would give me about a $21,000 Bitcoin right here. So, what am I doing? Well, I'm watching these trend lines very, very closely. It did bounce 1, 2, 3 times, even though it wicked below. I'm looking for a Bitcoin trade right now to the upside. Why? Well, I looked at the 4-hour, and the 4-hour suggests that we're going to bounce here off this lower time frame. We had a little bit of bullish divergence on a smaller time frame as well. So it looks like Bitcoin will get its way to the top of the pattern like so. And from there, maybe it will kind of continue back and forth. Now, small cap BTC pairs are pumping pretty good due to this. When I look at my own personal list of coins and I look for what's up big, I see DOC BTC had a huge pump, pumped all the way about 62%. It's back down only up 25%. Remember, people were taking profits quick. But even if you look at this and you were to have played it, you can see one thing that was true. This was clearly a shoulder, a head, and a bit of a shoulder pattern there that eventually then broke to the upside, and it had a very high target. Look, you would make this your neckline. If it's diagonal or flat, you just have to kind of keep it balanced between the two shoulders. Bring this all the way to your edge and swing this up, and that would be your measured move. So, wow. It wasn't a surprise by the TA that we ended up getting that high. And then there's always spillage. I call it spillage. It's you hit the measured move, and usually there's a bunch of people who jump in way too late, and they push the price up. People buy late. There's always someone who buys into a green candle. Remember that. I was there. You were there. If you don't want to buy into green candles, please join my trading group. For $99 a month, you can join my trading group. You can also pay in crypto. If you want to pay in crypto, you get 20% off. That's right, 20% off. So, email me at cryptolifers@gmail if you want to pay in crypto to join my awesome trading group. I have 5 rooms, a beginner's room, a whole trading room. I have other traders there to help you, and I also have my exclusive calls and charts only, where I give you my entire portfolio, talk about what I'm buying and selling, and give you calls every single day. I also do a weekly screen share on Wednesdays with my entire team. We talk about what's going on, break down the market, and have a really in-depth analysis. And it's really awesome. I give you guys key insights into the market. If you need more than that and you need hands-on training, please hit another link below for my tutoring. There you can see me face to face, and I'll give you 1 hour of my time for $100 and give you everything I know in a beautiful PowerPoint. We'll go through it step by step. Some people want to learn how to build their chart. I'm going to show you how to add your indicators, how to look for what you need to look for on the bigger and smaller time frames, and I'm also going to break down the MACD, the RSI, and the stochastics RSI, why I use the 5 moving averages, and how they work together to show me how to pattern trade my way to the top. And all these things will show you how to pattern trade. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoLifer33. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to this channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.